How to make cold coffee cream like the one you can find in some bars. To do this, you will need the following ingredients. 130 milliliters of liquid black coffee, 50 grams of powdered sugar, 150 milliliters of sweetened whipped cream. In addition, to prepare the cream, you will need a coffee maker, a refrigerator, a large bottle, even plastic, a funnel. These are the steps in preparing the recipe. Prepare the coffee with a regular mocha pot. Pour 130 milliliters of coffee into a container and refrigerate. In the meantime, insert the funnel into the bottle and add 50 grams of powdered sugar from the funnel, 150 milliliters sweetened whipped cream, and finally the 130 milliliters of bitter coffee that we had previously stored in the fridge. Shake the bottle vigorously for a few minutes in a vertical direction. Your cold coffee cream is ready to use. It should be served cold, even with the addition of chocolate chips or cocoa powder. The remainder can be stored in the fridge and then shaken again in the bottle before serving.